Hello, Michelle here of Leather by Dragonfly. Wanted to do a quick video today on how easy it is to give a custom leather apron as a gift. It's very easy. We designed it like that. After purchase, you're going to get this in the mail. You're going to give this as the gift, and now it's in their hands. You can't make any wrong decisions for them. In the package is going to be the fabric apron template, the directions on how to get a hold of us, and leather samples to choose from. It's that easy. You're going to go to the website, leatherbydragonfly.com. You're going to choose custom leather apron. There is going to be 3 leather choices to choose from. We have forge, which is for forge and blacksmithing. We have heavyweight, which is for welding and metalworking and any type of metal fabrication. And then we have medium weight. This is perfect for a woodworker, a tattoo artist, a gardener, a hairstylist, a barber. This is our most popular weight of leather. So you are going to choose any color of leather. The final decision will be made during the video chat. You're going to choose the t-shirt size that the person wears. We don't need the neck or arm length. It's easy as t-shirt size. You're going to choose yes or no to the flag pin. You're going to purchase it, and this is going to be sent out. Now that was pretty easy, right? We've even made it easier that multiple members of the family could all chip in, so that this could be a gift that is used every day and will last a lifetime. You can even purchase it through multiple gift cards and give those as gifts. So we have designed this pretty easy that this can be given as a gift, and we get asked that quite often. So just wanted to answer a few questions for you. Leatherbydragonfly.com is the website, and I'm Michelle of Leather by Dragonfly. Easy to give as a gift. Sometimes we're contacted to ask what contacted. Michelle here of Leather by Dragonfly. Today we were just answering some quick questions that Patrick and I get asked quite often through emails, direct messages, and in person. How do I give this as a gift, and how easy is that? Okay, I can see you laughing at me.
Direct messages?
Stop it. Hello, Michelle here of Leather by Dragonfly. Wanted to do a quick video for you to tell you how easy it is to order a custom leather apron as a gift. We have set it up to be designed like that.
Can you see me in the TV?
Yes, and my hands are hurting from clapping so much.
Here.
I don't think I like this kind though.
You got the notes right there. All right, here we go. We got this.
Hello, Michelle here of Leather by Dragonfly. I wanted to do a quick video to talk about how easy it is to give a custom leather apron as a gift. We have designed this to give as a gift. You're going to order the apron, and this is the package that is going to come to you. You're going to give this to the apron owner.
It's so easy, they say. Just hit record.